Welcome to TMC here in Nashville, Tennessee. My name is Ryan McIntosh. I work with Snap-on Equipment, and today we are talking about the JOSAM Camoliner, specifically the mobility of the JOSAM Camoliner. What you see here in front of you is the JOSAM Camoliner. It is a camera-based system that runs off of a set of targets on the rear center line to the frame, and it comes in a package with everything all in one. That can go through a 36-inch door, your standard walk-through door. With this, you have a set of wheel clamps. You have two self-centering targets for the cameras to reflect off of to get our measurements. We also have an inclinometer, and today what I am using, since we are here at TMC, is a mirrored monitor. So I don't have to, on a semi-truck, I don't have to have the perfect location to be able to do this, because my inclinometer is going to make the difference to the floor. And if I'm in back of this truck and I can't see the screen on the front, I can use my monitor to be able to visually see, because we can mirror to this, we can mirror cast. Some of the things we're going to talk about is the ease of how easy it is to put the front self-centering gauges on, rear self-centering gauges, how much space we actually need. So this is 180-degree roll compensation. So that's called a multi-axle roll, and what we would do is we would roll this vehicle half of the distance of what the tire diameter is. And in the case of this vehicle, that is 62 inches. So that's all we really need. We need enough room to put the truck in the shop and then be able to roll 62 inches forward to get our caster, our camber, our toe, and any thrust angle that would be in the rear of the vehicle.